She's been a bad, bad girl. Locked up behind this fence for 10 years, doing hard time. Well, not that hard. It's been, well, nice breeze here right now. But that's besides the point. It's been hot lately. It's time to bust out of this joint. Getting towed out tonight. First time she's moved in almost 10 years. I'm not gonna let that Mazda get in her way. No, we're gonna tow around her. Still got air in them tires. She's still good. We'll get her running and driving. Oh yeah. Faux show. All right, so I've got this 1971 Dodge D300 school bus built by Thomas, and someone stored it here like, I don't know, 8 to 10 years ago, and they hadn't paid storage on it in a while, so they lost it. Anyway, the guy sold it to me for a really good deal. He just wanted it out of his yard. I'm picking it up today, towing it back to the shop. Gonna get you a good look at it here, or waiting for the tow truck guy to show up. You see, it's on a regular 1-ton chassis. It's got the regular 8-lug wheels. I think it's going to be, I don't know, I think it's drums all the way around, being 71. But they're power drums. It should be good once I get them all dialed in. Got these neat little tow hooks on the front. Definitely has the extended lower grille piece and the bigger fenders of the 1-tons. I like it. It's really cool. So supposedly this is the shortest short bus. I guess the regulations for school buses changed or something like that. Maybe it's the shortest truck fronted school bus. I'm not sure. People who know more than that can update me. But yeah, gonna get it cleaned up, gonna get it running. It's got a 318 that looks like someone's done some work to it. It's got a fresh paint job on it anyway. People usually don't just paint engines without doing stuff to it. It's got some rust. It's got some issues. Definitely needs windshield glass, but it's nice. It's flat glass. That should be pretty easy. And like I said, it's got the 133-inch wheelbase, the 318 2-barrel, 4-speed of the granny gear. You see, it's got the original Dodge badges, the 300 badge. See that? It's got the little step thing right there. These little California style mirrors, which I'll update and probably keep them and just make them a little more useful. This is the inside. You see, extra pedal for the manual transmission. It's got a really, really simple late swept line dash looking thing. It's got all the bus controls and stuff over there. It's got the original air conditioning unit right here. I like the floor shifts a lot, especially with the granny gear. Looks like there's some kind of bench, some kind of chair in the back here. I'm guessing that was in there somehow. Maybe they redid the floors. The floors are wood. There's some painting on the wall here. I don't know if the windows are popped out or they're just covered up. We'll find out. Grateful Dead sticker at the back there. That's gotta go. I guess I'll look around here while I'm waiting for my tow truck guy. So, yeah, it's tall enough to rock out in here. So it's not going to be a camper anymore. Look at this little village of greenery back here. Some kind of lake. Okay, well, we'll fix all that. Probably toss all this stuff. But I'm just under 6 feet tall and I'm not touching the ceiling, so I think we can get a band in here. We can get a lot of bands in here. As long as they aren't like really, really tall. There's plenty of room for a drum kit back here. Bass player, guitar player, singer, maybe even an extra keyboard player. Especially if I'm not going to be in here, if I'm going to be in a separate thing. But I could set up here and have like a little rotating seat. Yeah, roof. Looks like it's probably the original paint. Nah, I don't know. I think somebody repainted it. But yeah, it says right over here, Thomas built buses. It's got the bus VIN, I guess that's different. Interesting. Little CB radio action. Got the defroster, heater, warning lights. It's only got the rear warning lights, which means it wasn't probably not an actual school bus. Little headache bar there. Yeah, this thing is freaking sweet. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I'll worry about that later. G's missing. Wonder if I have a G from my past exploits. The hood's a little rough, man. I won't lie. Get the edge here. A little cheesy up under here. Yeah. It's okay. It's like it's an original painted grill. Oh, I think I hear the tow truck guy.